Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will help you understand why people can't see your Instagram story. Let's dive right into the most common reasons. First, always check your privacy settings. A private account means only approved followers can view your content. Next, make sure you haven't accidentally hidden your story from certain individuals. A stable internet connection is crucial for uploading. And finally, ensure your Instagram app is running its most current version to avoid any glitches. These initial checks often resolve many visibility issues. Now, let's take a closer look at your privacy settings. Open your Instagram app, go to your profile, and tap the three lines in the top right corner to access settings and privacy. From there, select who can see your content and then story. Here, you can manage who sees your stories. Double-check the hide story from list to ensure no one is unintentionally blocked. If you want everyone to see your stories, make sure your account is public, not private. Sometimes, the issue might be technical. A simple yet effective step is to clear your Instagram app's cache. This can resolve many data-related problems. If that doesn't work, try restarting your phone or tablet. This often refreshes your device's system processes. If the problem persists, consider uninstalling and then reinstalling the Instagram app completely. Lastly, it's always a good idea to quickly check if Instagram's servers are experiencing any widespread outages, which can affect everyone. Finally, let's consider your content and account status. Always ensure your story content follows Instagram's community guidelines. Violations can lead to reduced visibility. It's also worth checking if your account has any restrictions or if you've been shadow banned, which can limit reach. Be cautious about using any third-party applications that might violate Instagram's terms of service. If, after all these steps, your stories are still not visible, your best course of action is to contact Instagram's official support team for further assistance.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.